Hello everyone. Another vlog of 3,000 questions about me. Here am I showing you the back cover, which is kind of stupid. So, next question. Have you ever helped someone across the road? I'm sure I have. I don't remember the specifics of the incident, but I'm pretty sure I've helped somebody across the road. What is legal that you think should be illegal? Well, I'd have to say Supreme Court justices not having term limits. I think there should be let me say that again. I think there should be term limits for Supreme Court justices, and I believe that Supreme Court justices should also be elected by the people, not appointed by Congress. If they're going to be political in their views and in their rulings, then the American people should be the ones that appoint them, not Congress. Would you rather own a private jet or a luxury yacht? Seeing that I cannot swim, probably a private jet. Besides, I think private jets just kind of look cool. What is the first impression you want to give people? Well, I kind of am only good at one impression. That's Ronald Reagan. I'm not really good at that particularly. Oh, that's not what you meant. Okay. I mean, I want people to like me, of course. That's kind of universal. I think everybody wants people to like them. That's about all I can say. Which would you rather have? A broken leg or a broken arm? Definitely a broken leg, because number one, I'd be away from work for a while. I don't know if I'd be away from work with a broken arm. And two, I can still play guitar if I have a broken leg. Okay, those are 5 questions. That was really easy. See you next time. Oh, would you rather have a private jet or a yacht? Go ahead and answer that in the comments below. See ya.